Hi everyone, it's Molly with Cash Out of My Home. I'm with Wendy and we just closed on her property in Lafayette. Wendy, tell me a little bit about your situation in your house.
So I've been a homeowner. I was a homeowner since 2017, and no one really prepared me for how hard it would be to be a homeowner. So I decided I wanted the next 40 years of my life to be with someone else. So helping me with the property and anything that goes wrong. So I decided to sell my property and my home.
What was your favorite part about the transaction of working with us?
It was very quick. I knew nothing about property management or selling or buying property. And I saw the YouTube video that Molly had put on, and I called him immediately, got an immediate response from Jonathan, and they were both fantastic. I made 2 new friends that day, hopefully lifelong. But yeah, it was a super easy transaction.
What would you tell others who are on the fence about working with us?
Don't be on the fence. You definitely cannot go wrong with Molly and Jonathan. It was the easiest thing that I've done in a long time.
Awesome, thank you.